Got my water reservoir. As y'all can see, this is my compost piled over here. So look, some of the, what's that, onions? Some growing up over there. But see how it's kind of bent right there at the top? So what happens is the deer come stick their head over there. See where it's bent at? They reach down in there and try to eat as much as they can. But yeah, this is my compost pile right here. So we're gonna start gardening this season. Yeah, spring right around the corner. But yeah, that ain't right here. Y'all see this guy up here? It's been years. It's time to go. See the treehouse we built right here? This year, it is time for it to go. Gonna bring it down, man. If you notice right here at the top, I had pruned those two trees right there, so the top is gone. So it's been years, and those trees, the tree's dead. Kind of prune the top of it off. So if you notice right here, see the little mushrooms or the mold, and it's starting to break down. So I'm gonna keep this one right here alive because there's some type of, not walnuts, but some type of nuts. So I ain't pruning this one right here, and then it's not no real threat, even if it fell down or what have you. But I'm gonna save this one and again get these screws out of it. Because you notice right here, see how I got two doggone beams right there up under it as support beams. But then I noticed there's a hole up there in my floor too, man. But anyway, like I said, it's been years, man. It's a liability. So like I say, the children, you know, we done created memories by building it. We got a time lapse. Y'all go back and check out the Treehouse time lapse on Random Sunset. So me and my son got together doing some male bonding, and anyway, man, let's see if I can keep those windows. See the windows on this side? That's still new, and then this one on the other side. But yeah, I had a front porch and everything, man, so time to go. It's been years. Nobody coming over here playing and getting hurt or anything, so yeah. Over and out. Keep you updated. Alright, so I got my work cut out. I'm giving a lot of that, a lot of them logs to my neighbors or whatnot. Get some firewood. So I got plenty more right here. I got a lot of roots. You know what I'm saying? See the big boy roots? We got them up out the ground, got them up out of the ground. You feel? So yeah. Got my dumpster right here, so I'm going to dispose of it. You know how this go. Try to put as much as you can in the. I already got pipes and some old woods and water hose. Get my spring cleaning done. Don't wait till the last minute. Yeah, there's always something to do, man. Always something to do when you're homeowner. Always something to do. There go the county right there. They coming to get the trash. So, what kind of project you working on? Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like a think about one on like clear this side. I'm gonna say have my neighbor to come through that bar cat today, clear that out. Put like one of them upstairs, downstairs, barn style, 2 sheds. So I can make a room upstairs, man. I probably turn it to a little tiny house. You feel me? Shit, that's the original plan, but you know, to put a sink in there, bathroom, kitchen out, I'm gonna need a permit. So if I do that on the other side of the house over here where the treehouse is. Alright, let me walk back over here. I gotta make sure the county workers straight, man. See if they want some water or anything. See if they want some water, some potato chips. Want some water? Want some water? Want some potato chips? You want some water? Alright. Yeah, man, I appreciate that, man. I really do, man. Alright, so where was I? Shit, man, he done roll my trash up and everything. I was finna say, I know I'm gonna leave that for my son to do. You know what I'm saying? You know, keep some order and keep some structure, you know what I'm saying? Shit, you know, we ain't too good to get our hands dirty, man. Like I say, man, shout out to South River, man. Stay volunteering out there. Like I say, you know, just community service, man, where we live, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, it's plenty of places, like I say, you know, we can volunteer for, you know, with the Black Achievement Fund, you know what I'm saying? We mainly give like donations, you know what I'm saying? Monetary donations, doggone, you know, when it come to that right there, you feel me? But like I say, it just depend on the event and the time, you know what I mean? Like, we'll definitely have to travel further, you know what I'm saying? So it's still a worthy cause, like I say, with the vineyard, Arabian Mountain. So yeah, man, community service, man, you got to get back. All right, guys, I done hit it with the chainsaw. See right there? So it's kind of leaning. Then I hit that side, and I ain't hit the back side. What I'm gonna do is I'm finna go out here with this sludge hammer. Got my sludge hammer right here. Finna just rock it one time, that bitch finna come down. Let me see, y'all. Let me see if I can post it up, let y'all see me hit it and run. My hip hurt. Let me see, will that be able to get me right now? Alright. Sit it right here. In hopes that it don't fall. Can y'all see it? Hold on. Oh yeah. Here the stairs, front porch. Oh yeah. All right, I'm finished bringing it on down. Shoot, well put together, I tell you that. Shoot. I mean, I could have used some stronger pieces of wood though. I mean, for the floor. Could have did that. But outside of that, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got drywall in there. You know, we want to break this thing on down. Oh yeah, it's coming along. It's coming along. Just me and the sledgehammer. Wait for that son of mine to get off from school. Get that gorilla cart. Haul most of these pieces over to the smaller pieces. Get him to get a lot of the smaller pieces. Fill up the gorilla cart. Haul it over to the dumpster. Oh yeah, it's coming along. Demolition. Oh yeah, beautiful day. Beautiful day, ugly mess. Demolition style. Demolition style. I broke up the floor. That way he can put it on the gorilla cart. And then over here, let's see. A bunch of the larger flat pieces over here. As you can see. And right here. Pile everything up nice and neat. A lot of the boards, joists, and all that stuff over here. Once I stack it nice and neat, just start hauling it to the dumpster. I'm gonna keep those windows. Yeah, I should keep the roof. Nah, gotta do my spring clean. I don't need no more mess. None. Gotta go. Alright, end result. Alright guys, y'all see what's going on. So we out back. We got dogwood and oak trees galore. Alright, so leaves are everywhere. Check this out. Y'all see that mountain? So there go the treehouse. And look at this mountain of leaves. Now get down here. It's taller than what y'all. This thing is tall. So if I'm like 6'1", 6'2", that power right there is like 5'11" at least. Oh yeah. So we're gonna have a blast in this right here. Trying to get a better doggone. See, I can see the height. It's a mountain. Big boy mountain. We ain't even done. All right, man. Let's go and finish getting these leaves, man. And then let's start in our driveway. All right, let's go. Oh, I thought you were gonna do it out the window.
Oh, I was just coming out because there's just water.
Oh. Hi. Are you still eating in there? Okay, if you leave crumbs in there, you know the bug's gonna come get you. Yeah, the ants, they're gonna come up in your crib. I thought you was sitting on the front porch. All right, I'll be out there. I'll see you. Hey, Zah, you want to wave one more time? Hey, Zah, I can hear you singing.
How are you, Zah? You having a pizza party? You didn't invite me to your pizza party.
Yes, you did. You did.
Oh, I'm gonna wait for her to get some furniture. Yeah, if I had to eat my pizza, and I'm gonna save you some of that dessert. Nah, I mean the dessert that I had earlier. Yep. Oh yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. Yeah, the pizza. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna let you enjoy your food. Okay, I didn't mean to disturb you. I was just looking at your front porch. All right, talk to you later.